Then again, I don't really need an office. My shit hella digital.
Step 1. Change the office.
The fall colorway. This is crispy. This is crispy. Whoa. Ocean vibe? Underwater vibe? What's this? This like a mountain vibe? Whoa. This is raw. I can't lie. Type nigga I am. I might go here. Earthy vibe last. Whoa, desert vibe. This kind of ass. Oh no, this like a off-world vibe. Still kind of ass though. Not me. Not me. Mars vibe. Not me. Not me. Not me. I'm a mountain wind vibe. Y'all let me know. This just feel like you just feel the fresh air. Look around, windy in your face.